Here I have XIAOMI 12S Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then slide power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after your device's screen turns on and you can see XIAOMI logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. After you see this image, you can release all keys. That means that you are entering recovery mode now, and you just have to wait. So here you have lots of different sections with different settings, like you have install section, wipe, backup, restore, mount, settings, advanced section, and also reboot, in which you have lots of different options, mostly for kinda advanced users who know a lot about what these options are. If you're done using this super secret recovery mode, you should select option reboot, then reboot to system, and after that your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.